everyone! Welcome to our channel. This time, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo makakapag-set ng appointment sa PSA kung kukuha po kayo ng inyong birth certificate. Okay, now, punta lang tayo sa ating Google Chrome. And then, type lang po natin ang PSA appointment system. PSA appointment system. Okay, this one po, ito po yung pipindutin natin. Ayan, ito guys, kayo na bahala na magbasa. Ano po? And then, scroll down lang natin. At click na natin tong book appointment. Now, basahin nyo na lang po ulit yung nasa taas. Click lang po natin dito ang I agree. These are the important reminders. Ano po? The first one, minors are not allowed to book an appointment. Definitely, kung mga 17 and below, hindi pa sila pwedeng mag-book an appointment. Next, if the requesting party is a duly authorized representative, the copy of the authorization letter or special power of attorney or affidavit and copies of the valid ID must be presented and submitted. The third one, kailangan mag-provide ng complete and correct details for applicant or authorized representative. Okay, so halimbawa, kukuha kayo ng para sa minor, kailangan lang ninyo ng authorization letter and then complete and correct details ng applicant, kayo mismo. So, definitely, magdala kayo ng ID ng kukuha ninyo ng birth certificate and mismong valid ID ninyo and make sure na naka-photocopy po yun. This appointment and scheduling system allocates slots on a first-come, first-served basis. Okay? Pero kung hindi naman po kayo minor, punta na lang po kayo, just bring your valid ID kasi sigurado kailangan natin ng valid ID at i-photocopy nyo na po siya ng back-to-back para sigurado. Anyway, these are the list of valid IDs na kailangan. Okay? Click natin. Ito, yung mga valid ID na kailangan ninyo is kailangan nyo ng DFA ID, driver's license, pwede, PRC ID, pwede po, Government Service Insurance System or the GSIS Unified Multipurpose ID, SSS ID or card, Voters ID issued by the Commission on Election or COMELEC, Postal ID, Senior Citizen ID card, okay, pwede din po yan, the OFW ID, okay, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, pwede, Seaman's Book, pwede. NBI Investigation Clearance, pwede din nyo po siya magamit. PNP ID Police Clearance. And DSWD ID, Barangay Certification with Picture and Signature, pwede. PWD ID, pwede nyo din po siya magamit. And other IDs po, issued by the national government offices. Okay? So now, let's go back. Oh, sorry. Next na natin. Select purpose. Now, dito, what is the purpose of your appointment? Select a purpose. The first one, get copy or copies of civil registry documents and certifications for first-time court decrees and legal instruments. Request for consultation through Public Assistance and Complaints Desk for submission of compliance of supporting documents per PSA feedback form for delayed registration, mobile application service, birth registration assistance projects, and others specified. Pipiliin natin dito since kukuha tayo ng birth certificate, the first one po ang pipiliin natin. Ito yung pipiliin natin kapag kukuha tayo ng birth certificate, death certificate, and CENOMAR. Okay? Click the first one. Choose region. So, since I'm living in Sorsogon or sa PRC Legazpi ako pupunta, Region 5. Choose an outlet. Legazpi City. PSA Legazpi na lang. Mas mabilis kasi. Okay. Additional instruction for this. The first one is securing an appointment is free of charge and civil registration service appointment slip is non-transferable. Anyway guys, basahin nyo na lang po itong additional instruction. Okay? Proceed na po tayo sa payment. Dito sa services, ang una ay copy issuance of birth, marriage, and death certificates already available in the Civil Registry System database at ang fee po nito ay 155 pesos per copy. And 1 hour upon receipt of the request. So, within the day, after 1 hour, pwede nyo na siyang makuha. Same documents po dito sa number 2. Ang fees po ay parehas lang din. However, yung processing time nito is 7 working days upon the receipt of the request na documents ninyo kapag ito ay hindi pa available sa Civil Registry System database. Next, number 3, authentication of birth, marriage, and death certificates naman, certified by the local Civil Registry Office. Same lang din po ang babayaran and 1 hour lang po ang hintayin natin para maklaim po natin ito. Number 4 is the certificate of no marriage or CENOMAR. Okay, ang copy naman po nito, fees per copy is 200 pesos. At makuha nyo po siya 1 working day or 8 working hours upon the receipt of request. So, definitely kinaumagahan na to, ano? Same lang po sa CENODEF. Okay, now, basahin nyo na lang guys at mag-proceed na tayo. Dito naman, please provide your contact information for the appointment. We will send you a copy of your appointment confirmation via email. So, you have to make sure ng email po ninyo is active at nabubuksan pa. The second one, if you are making this appointment for someone else, please indicate their contact details and take note that all the reminders and requirements will then apply to them. Okay? The last one is if you are requesting for someone else certificate, you're going to use your own personal details dito sa page na to. And sa next page, doon nyo naman po ilalagay or indicate ang kanilang pangalan. Dito nyo naman po i-input ang verification code na na-receive ninyo via email or sa inyong contact number. Dito po sa certificate type, since ang kukunin natin ay birth certificate, yun po ang iselect natin. Okay, dito naman kung ano yung relationship. So, since para sa sarili ko to, self ang pipiliin ko. Pero kung halimbawa para sa ibang tao, you can choose halimbawa kung para sa spouse or asawa ninyo, father, mother, son, daughter, grandparent, or grandchild, or authorized representative kayo ng students ninyo. Okay? And then, dito naman sa baba, kung para sa iba yung kukunin ninyo, lagay nyo lang or indicate nyo ang kanilang first name, middle name, at last name. Now, click next po at dito pwede na tayong pumili ng ating preferred na schedule. Pili ako ng 10 a.m. Ayan, dito nyo guys makikita ang inyong appointment details, first name, middle name, last name, outlet address, date, and time. Make sure na tama po yung information. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, pwede nyo naman siyang ma-edit. Okay? Then, confirm na po natin. Okay, download nyo po yung inyong birth certificate ng form at dito print appointment form. Ayan. Download nyo lang siya guys dito sa arrow na to. Then, PSA. Ayan. So, ayun lang siya guys. I hope na nakatulong and see you po sa ating next video. Bye!